In this lesson, we are working with constants in VBA. As mentioned earlier, constants differ from regular variables because their value is assigned once and remains unchanged throughout the entire execution of the program. In financial work, this is extremely important because many values, such as tax rates, period counts, or analytical thresholds, should never be modified accidentally. At the beginning of the procedure, I define two constants, the tax rate and the number of months in a year. And now, before we continue, I intentionally place a line of code that attempts to overwrite one of these constants. This is a classic example of a mistake that would be very easy to make if constants weren't so well protected. The moment I try to run the macro, VBA immediately displays a compile time error. Assignment to constant not permitted. Importantly, the code does not execute at all. The macro never reaches the first executable line. VBA stops instantly at the exact place where the constant is being overwritten. This demonstrates clearly that a constant cannot be reassigned, and the execution is blocked right away. Next, I remove that line, the one attempting to overwrite the constant, and run the macro again. This time, everything works correctly. The constants are used in the calculation, the results are produced, and all values are written into the worksheet with no problems. This is a very clear illustration of how VBA protects constants and why using them is such a good practice. Constants safeguard critical values against accidental changes, which is especially important in financial models. A single wrong number could change the entire outcome of an analysis, so constants help keep our calculations stable, predictable, and reliable.